I gotta see what episode we're on. Hold on. Okay. Welcome to part 11 of the Skeeter restoration boat rebuild. Can't believe we're on 11 parts of this already. I mean, just took the entire winter off because it's been too cold. Today is actually a really nice day. It's like 62 right now. But yes, it is starting to get a lot warmer, and we're back out in the barn. Except this is a different barn. This is actually the barn on Carly and I's property. Don't mind the couch. That's from the previous tenants. We just haven't had time to get it out. Today, we are going to be putting on the new winch. I was lucky enough to win a $500 gift card to Bass Pro Shop, and while we were there, I got 1,500 pound capacity trailer winch. My current winch has the issue that it has missing teeth, and it doesn't pull my boat all the way up onto the roller. So it's not necessarily the most secure thing in the world. So that's gonna be today's episode, is putting on the new winch, and it's basically gonna be a how-to, except I'm learning with you guys. So if you guys haven't put on a trailer winch before, here's your chance. Let's get to it. So as you can see, we have our winch strap, our bolt that holds the actual winch drum, and then our teeth, cranking mechanism, which on mine, you can see right there, I am missing teeth that connects to the locking. But essentially what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take this strap completely down bare bones, and you can see right where my winch locking gets caught up on those broken teeth. That's just gonna give me room so I can easily remove this. I have slack. And one thing that happened, my hook actually broke, so it wasn't even all the way secured. I know, I'm a great boat owner. I believe this nut is a 9/16. This nut's a 9/16. Tools needed so far, 9/16 pair of channel locks. And I'm just going to essentially lock onto this bolt. I'm gonna lock the mechanism here. That's gone forever. Thankfully, we won't need it again. Now that's off. I don't have a hammer. Okay, that is not coming off at all. So what we might have to do, break out the Milwaukee's. That's what I want to see. There we go. So I'm applying traction and just twisting this out. There we go. That is years of rust. Would you look at that? So now that gives us access to these bolts down here, which I have access to underneath. I have my trusty Milwaukee 1/4" driver that would easily take care of those bolts down there. However, I don't have a drive line for it. Or at least I don't have drivers big enough for it. So I'm gonna have to take a quick trip to the hardware store and get proper sized drivers for that. So it's gonna be like an hour for me and maybe a second for you. So be right back. So I just got out of the hardware store and like I just needed one thing. I just needed a drill adapter, right? For like my impact to my sockets, right? I had to buy this because they don't sell Milwaukee these. They sell Milwaukee everything else, but they don't sell Milwaukee these. So I have to mix DeWalt with Milwaukee, and I feel like I'm gonna throw up. All right, 9/16 bolt, Milwaukee impact. It stands no chance. We're going to attack this bolt first. Like I said, stood no chance. At least these threads aren't screwed up like the other one. Oh, you're gonna be a difficult one, aren't you? So this bolt is in between the angle irons right here. back up later. Lined up perfectly. So now we get our included hardware with the winch. Now see, this comes with 3 bolts. Since I don't really feel like 3 bolts is necessary since this was already on 2 bolts. Ooh, we may need to drill bigger. We may need to use my bigger drill bit because that bolt is actually a lot bigger than the holes I just drilled. So I need to go up a size on my bits. What the hell? Really? You're gonna be like that, huh? See if the bolt fits through that. Yes, it does. Okay. There we go. There we go. That's what Daddy was looking for. Spray down with that WD-40. All right. Bolt washer. Come on. Come on there. We rehearsed this. This isn't part of the script. There we go. Perfect. Now we're going to take our lock washers on the bottom. There we go. Okay. Switch back over to the impact. Perfect. And we got our handle, goes in like this. There we go. go. Look at that. Knocked you a little off there. She does have a little bit of distance from where she's supposed to set and the D-ring, because I was not able to keep her up on that roller, on that set point, because of those missing teeth on the old winch. So anyway, if you guys have enjoyed the series so far, please leave a like, subscribe, share, and comment what you think the next step should be for this 38-year-old boat should be. The wiring I do know probably needs updated. That's not going to be something I do right now though. So for right now, I think the steering is the last part, and that's going to be part 12 of the series. So part 12, connecting the steering. And that'll be it for getting this boat back in good condition, running condition. That's exciting. Alright. Well, again, if you guys enjoy it, like, comment, share, subscribe if you want to see more, and leave a comment. Let me know what aftermarket parts you want to see on this boat. See you guys later.